ground ready for planting is a crucial step to make sure your garden thrives. If you take a little extra time to loosen the soil, get rid of those pesky weeds, and add some organic matter, you'll be giving your plants the perfect environment to thrive in. The following steps will help you prepare your ground for planting. Before we begin watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. 1. Choose the right location. Consider the amount of sunlight the area gets, the type of soil, and the drainage. 2. Remove weeds and debris. This will help prevent weeds from competing with your plants for water and nutrients. 3. Loosen the soil. You can use a shovel, spade, or rototiller to loosen the soil to a depth of at least 8 inches. This will help the roots of your plants grow more easily. 4. Add organic matter. Organic matter, such as compost, manure, or leaf mold, will help improve the drainage, aeration, and fertility of your soil. 5. Amend the soil pH. The pH of the soil affects the availability of nutrients to plants. If the pH is too low or too high, you may need to add lime or sulfur to adjust it. 6. Mulch the soil. Mulch will help suppress weeds, conserve moisture, and improve the overall health of your soil. Here are some specific tips for preparing different types of soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is loose and drains quickly. To improve it, add organic matter such as compost or manure to help it retain moisture and nutrients. Clay soil. Clay soil is heavy and can be compacted. To improve it, add organic matter and sand to help it drain better and become more workable. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a good all-around soil. It is well drained and has a good balance of organic matter and nutrients. Saline soil. Saline soil is high in salt. To improve it, flush the soil with water to remove the salt. You may also need to add organic matter to help the soil retain moisture. No matter what type of soil you have, proper preparation is essential for healthy plant growth. By following these tips, you can create the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. I hope you find this information useful. Please let your loved ones know about this video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.